alkyl radical. Classification of organic compounds on the basis of structure. We will discuss alkane and alkyl radical. What is alkyl radical or alkyl group? Definition. An alkyl group is a functional group of an organic chemical or compound that contains only carbon and hydrogen atoms which are arranged in a chain. So, we will discuss formation of alkyl radical. Point number 1, it is always derived from alkanes. How it derives? By the removal of one hydrogen atoms from an alkane. It is represented by capital R. How to name? From the alkane, ANE will be removed as suffix and YL will be added. Suppose ethane forms ethyl, and general formula for the calculation of alkyl radical is CnH2n plus 1. Students, what is the general formula of alkane? Yes, you are right. It is CnH2n plus 2. Here we have plus 1, means one less hydrogen than alkanes. Alkyl groups formation examples. Here one carbon, 4 hydrogen atoms forms methane, and we form methyl by removal of one hydrogen atom, CH3. Ethane, 2 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, 1 hydrogen is removed and we are getting ethyl, C2H5. And this kind of formula is termed as condensed formula. Types of alkyl radical. There are many types of alkyl radicals. In your book, there are 2 kinds will be discussed. Number 1 is N-propyl. Look at the chain. This is a straight chain. When hydrogen is removed from the terminal end, or either from the left hand side or from the right hand side, it will be termed as N or normal. Then you can write the name of alkyl radical. Here 3 carbon atoms, so name will be propyl. So it is N-propyl. When terminal hydrogens are removed, it is termed as N-propyl. Second type is when hydrogen is removed other than terminal ends, either from left side, either from right side. So it will be termed as isopropyl because 3 carbon atoms are there. Or it is termed as a secondary carbon atom or secondary propyl. Secondary means from the second carbon atom hydrogen is removed. In the same way, tertiary propyl, tertiary butyl can be formed. There is no tertiary propyl because only 3 carbon atoms are there. Here 10 alkane family names are there. Their molecular formula, their names of alkyl groups and formulas are given to you. You can study from here. Now we will discuss classification of organic compounds. Classification of organic compounds. Organic compounds are mainly classified by 2 bases. Number 1, arrangement of carbon atoms or carbon chains and functional groups. In this tutorial, we will discuss classification of organic compounds on the basis of arrangement of carbon chain. Carbon compound or any organic compound mainly divided into 2 types. Number 1 is open chain. Number 2 is closed chain or cyclic. Open chain are acyclic. A means no cycle or no ring present. It is also termed as aliphatic organic compounds. These open chain compounds are divided into 2 types. Number 1 is saturated hydrocarbons, that you know, alkanes and their derivatives. Next is unsaturated hydrocarbons, and they are divided into 2 types, alkenes and their derivatives, alkynes and their derivatives. Alkanes are divided into 2 types, straight chain or branched chain. Again, alkynes are divided into two types, straight chain or branched chain. Come to the cyclic or closed chain compounds, they are in a form of rings or cycles. They are divided into two types. Number one, homocyclic, and number two, heterocyclic. Homo means same, means all of the atom present in a cycle or ring, they are only carbon and hydrogen. They are also termed as carbocyclic compounds. Hetero means different, means other than carbon and hydrogen, some of the elements or atoms may be different. They can be nitrogen, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. They are termed as non-carbocyclic. And homocyclic are divided into two, alicyclic or aromatic organic compounds. Now we will discuss aliphatic compounds or open chain organic compounds. Definition. These are the organic compounds in which carbon atoms are present in open chain form. Example, check ethane, 1-propene, ethanol, propanol, propanol, ethyl amine. So here these are all arranged in open chain, means there is no closed ends there. These are termed as acyclic compounds or aliphatic compounds. Aliphatic or open chain organic compounds are divided into two types. Number one is straight chain and number two is branched chain. What are the straight chain compounds? The carbon is the central atom and makes 4 single covalent bonds to the hydrogen atoms. These alkanes are called straight chain alkanes because the carbon atoms are connected in one continuous chain with no branches. Naming and writing a structural and molecular formula for straight chain alkane is straightforward. Hope you understand. We have discussed many times structural formula, condensed formula. Keep remember, straight chain means all of the carbon and hydrogen atoms are arranged in straight chain. Number two is branched chain. Students, do you remember about the isomers? Phenomena isomerism, in which different structures are formed with the same molecular formula. Have a look. What does it mean? Many hydrocarbons have branches of carbon atoms attached to a chain. They are called branched hydrocarbons. These branched alkanes are isomers of straight chain alkanes having the same number of carbon atoms. There are a series of rules for naming branched alkanes and ultimately for all organic compounds. Come to the examples of a straight chain. Have a look. Methane, all are arranged in a straight chain. Ethane, all are arranged in a straight chain. Propane, straight chain compounds. In the same way, till 10 carbon atoms form decane or decene, they are becoming a straight chain. Examples of branched chain organic compounds. We have done isomers of butane and pentane. This is straight chain pentane. C5 and H12 is molecular formula. When it forms branch, means one of the carbon atom from the terminal will be attached to any other carbon atom and it forms branching. Have a look. Here is branched. This is CH3 or alkyl group and it can be represented by R. So this is isomer of pentane and we can simply name it as isopentane. While this name is its IUPAC name, 2-methyl-butane. We will study in the next lectures how this name will form. Again, another structure is possible from this structure or from this formula. Two branches are formed with this central carbon atom. This is called neopentane or this is IUPAC name given 2,2-dimethyl-propane. Hopefully we will discuss it in next lecture. Now we will discuss alicyclic compounds, or these are termed as cyclic organic compounds. Definition: these are the organic compounds in which carbon atoms are present in a cyclic ring form. Look at the examples. All of the carbon ends are joined with each other. They are termed as cyclic or alicyclic compounds. Here it is cyclopentane. So before the name, the term cyclo is added. So it will indicate these are cyclic or ring compounds. This is how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is hexane, but it is ring compound, cyclic one. So before hexane, we will add cyclo. So it will indicate it is cyclic organic compound. So here one double bond is present. So carbon-carbon double bond indicates family alkene. So there are 6 carbon atom. Suffix is coming from family, that is alkene. And it is cyclic one. We will add cyclo and it is hexene. So this is cyclohexene. So you will name cyclic compounds in this way. Okay, next type is aromatic compounds. What are aromatic compounds? The compounds with the structure and properties resembling as that of benzene are called aromatic compounds. Example, this 6 carbon ring is called benzene ring with alternate carbon-carbon double bond. This is benzene ring with another functional group when benzene ring is present. These are termed as aromatic compounds. Look, there are 6 carbon atom ring with alternate carbon-carbon double bond present. It is benzene ring, and with benzene ring another group of atoms are present. So this is called aromatic compounds, and the name of compound is benzoic acid, because this is the functional group COOH is carboxylic acid. In the same way, this 6 carbon ring with carbon-carbon double bond is benzene, and with benzene there is another functional group present, so it forms a new family of compound that is termed as benzaldehyde. Okay, the next one is heterocyclic organic compounds. Hetero means different. Definition: these are the cyclic compounds in which the ring is made up of more than one kind of atoms. Means with carbon and hydrogen rings, another atom or group of atom can be present. Look at the example. This is 5 carbon ring, and with this ring we have nitrogen. So this is new compound. It is pyrrole. This is again 5 carbon rings with alternate double bond, and other than carbon and hydrogen, oxygen is present. So it will form furan. Next, 5 carbon ring with alternate carbon-carbon double bond, and other than carbon and hydrogen, we will have sulfur. So the name of compound is thiophene. And this is 6 carbon ring with alternate carbon-carbon double bond, and other than carbon and hydrogen, we have nitrogen, and this is from pyridine. These are very important heterocyclic compounds. According to the Federal Board examination, you need to practice structure in the same way. Recap of important points. We have done alkyl groups or alkyl radicals. General formula is CnH2n plus 1. N is carbon number. And we are obtained when one hydrogen is removed from an alkane. May be present attached to the present parent chain as straight chain or branch chain groups. It can be represented by capital R. This is alkane CnH2n plus 2. One hydrogen is removed and it will form CnH2n plus 1. Alkyl group will represent by capital R. Alkyl radicals CH3, C2H5, C3H7 and so on. And students, this is a bond line, means with this R we have group of carbon or hydrogen or other functional groups. Corresponding alkane is methane. Name of alkyl radical is methyl, ethane, ethyl, propane, propyl, butane, butyl. till decane we will have the same criteria. And classification of organic compounds on the basis of their structure, we have studied acyclic or open chain compounds, cyclic or closed chain or ring compounds. In acyclic, open chain or aliphatic compounds, we have discussed saturated hydrocarbons, alkane, unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkenes and alkynes in our previous lecture. In this lecture, we have studied open chain compounds and closed chain compounds, straight chain compounds and branch chain compounds. In cyclic or closed chain or the ring compounds, we have discussed alicyclic compounds and aromatic compounds. Hope students you have understood the lecture completely. Now I will show you a video to elaborate your concepts about classification of organic compounds.
Hydrocarbons and their classification. Hydrocarbons are the simplest organic compounds which contain only carbon and hydrogen. They are regarded as the parent organic compound since all the other organic substances can be derived from this compound. The main source of hydrocarbons is petroleum. Hydrocarbons are broadly classified into two: open chain or aliphatic and carbocyclic compounds. Open chain or aliphatic compounds. Open chain compounds or aliphatic compounds are divided into two: saturated and unsaturated carbon compounds. Saturated hydrocarbons form only single bond. Example, alkanes with single bond. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into two: alkanes with double bond and alkynes with triple bond. Aliphatic hydrocarbons are classified into three types: alkanes, alkenes and alkynes. Alkanes, hydrocarbons containing only a single covalent bond between the carbon atoms, are called alkanes or paraffins. In saturated hydrocarbons, all the valence electrons of carbon are singly bonded with other carbon atoms or hydrogen atoms. Hence, alkanes will not take part in any reactions other than substitution reactions. All alkanes end in ane. Alkanes are represented by the general formula CnH2n plus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms, like 1, 2, 3. If one hydrogen atom is removed from any alkane, the general formula of the resulting group will be CnH2n plus 1 and is called an alkyl group. Alkenes. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbons containing a double covalent bond between the carbon atoms. Alkenes are also called olefins. The double bond in alkenes is called olefinic bond. The simplest alkene is ethene, C2H4. CH2 is not possible because double bond is not possible between carbon and hydrogen. In higher alkenes, the number of double bonds and their position may vary. Alkenes are represented by the general formula CnH2n, where n is the number of carbon atoms, like 2, 3, 4 and so on. All alkenes end in ene. Alkynes. Alkynes are organic compounds of carbon and hydrogen containing a triple covalent bond between the carbon atoms. All alkynes end in yne. Alkynes are also called acetylenes. Alkynes are represented by the general formula CnH2n minus 2, where n is the number of carbon atoms, like 2, 3, 4 and so on. Carbocyclic compounds. Hydrocarbons containing rings of carbon atoms are called carbocyclic compounds. They are of two types: alicyclic and aromatic compounds. For example, cyclopentane is an alicyclic compound. whereas benzene is an aromatic compound.
This is your assignment time. Review question answers. There is a self-assessment exercise 11.6. Some of the structures are given to you. You need to answer these 3 questions. Hope you can answer. You should identify a branch chain compound, a cyclic compound, and 2 straight chain compounds. Students, is there any kind of difficulty in this lecture or my previous lecture? You can contact me or you can ask me. Thank you so much.